Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 without the power button or with a broken power button that no longer works. So what we need to do is press on the volume down key and the Bixby key together at the same time. So the two keys on this side. We need to press on the volume down and the Bixby key. And while doing that, you need to plug it into the computer using the USB cable. Make sure that you have a computer that turns on, such as a Mac computer, a Windows desktop. It doesn't matter which computer that you use, it will work. So now I'm going to press on the volume down plus the Bixby key. Press and hold. And while you're holding, you want to plug in the cable. As soon as you plug in, the phone will show a warning screen. And at this point, it is very important that you only press the down volume key. Do not accidentally press on the volume up key, because then you will stuck in a download mode. So press on the volume down key and the phone will restart. Once the phone restarts, it will boot up. And that is how you can turn on your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 without using the power button. And you only need to use this USB-C plugging into your computer. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.